Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with Afton, and today is the 2nd of October. So today is Vlogtober day 2. Well, in today's video I will be showing you guys how to make Guyanese chicken curry with coconut milk. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make this delicious Guyanese chicken curry, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. You see, I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna be coming every day, giving you guys a video every day in October. Alright, so don't forget to follow me also on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, I'll try to make these videos short, like hopefully less than 5 minutes, you know, so because it's gonna be every day I'm gonna be uploading for this month, so I'll try to make the videos a little short for you guys. All right, and please guys, please watch my videos, so it's gonna motivate me to keep uploading video every day as well. All right, so let me just show you my ingredients and enjoy Vlogtober day 2. Hey guys, this is my ingredients for my Guyanese chicken curry. First, we have some coconut milk here. We have all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning. We have Geera. We have the curry powder, masala. We have some mango achar. We have black pepper, ginger, garlic, potato, 1 Wiri pepper. We have a cube shallot celery, and this is our chicken here. So the first thing we're gonna do is season up our chicken. So I'm seasoning up my chicken now. First I'm gonna put some chicken seasoning. Check the description box down below for all the measurements and ingredients. We're gonna put some all-purpose seasoning. We're going to put some grated garlic, and some grated ginger, and we're going to put our black pepper. I'm going to mix everything together. You can let this marinate overnight, or you can let it marinate for a few hours. Alright, so we'll be back. Okay, the next step we're gonna do here, we have her curry here. We're gonna put the Geera. We're gonna mix the Geera and the masala with the curry in one container. And you're gonna mix it up together, just like this, and then you're gonna pour some water inside of it. All right, and make it into like a paste. All right, make sure you mix it up real good. Okay, so what you're gonna do now, I'm gonna put on my stove. We'll be back. Okay, so I just put on some oil there, probably like 2 teaspoons of oil in your pot, and you're gonna put in this curry mixture, and let it fry up. All right, let it fry up for about 2 minutes or so. We'll be back. Okay, so my curry has been frying up for about 1.5 minutes. So what we're gonna do now is put the chicken inside. You're gonna put your chicken inside, and then mix up the chicken into the curry. Alright, and let it fry down. Don't put any waters yet. Let let it fry just like that. We'll be back. Okay guys, so my curry has been frying now for about 8 minutes. I just cover it down and it formed its own juice. I didn't put any water inside of it. Alright, so you're gonna do now, we have some dry thyme. I didn't show you guys this earlier, so we're gonna pour in our dry thyme or a cube. I'll let you know if I have to put another one. We have some shallots and celery. Here, just put some shallots and celery. I'm gonna mix this up together. And then we're gonna put in, yeah, so then you're gonna put in our coconut milk. So I just put in my coconut milk. Also I'm gonna put in my potato and my Wiri pepper. I just put in my potato and Wiri pepper. I don't know, but every 10 seconds the light keep cutting off. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is put in our mango achar and just mix it up into your curry. Alright, then you cover your pot and let it boil for a good 20 minutes or so. So we'll be back. Okay guys, it has been about 20 minutes. Ooh, steam. My curry has been boiling here. So my curry is finished guys. It's all done. Let me taste it. See if it needs any more cubes or anything else. Ooh, that's spicy. It tastes really good though. Wow. Alright, my curry is done here, so I'm gonna plate it and let you guys see the end results. I'm also making some roti, but that's gonna be in tomorrow's video. Alright, so let me turn off my stove. I'm gonna plate it now and let you guys see. We'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the end results for my Guyanese chicken curry with coconut milk. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Give my video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. And don't forget guys, every single day for October I will be uploading a video for you guys with some delicious meals. So come back every day and you guys will see a delicious meal from me. Alright, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton. Follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, my next video tomorrow is gonna be Guyanese roti. Alright, I'm gonna make my roti right now so you guys know what the other video is gonna be. Alright, so stay blessed guys. See you tomorrow and bye.